Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover files with Mega.nz step by step clearly. To start recovering files with Mega.nz, first, open your web browser. Go to the Mega.nz website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the trash folder located on the left sidebar. In the trash folder, look for the files you want to recover. Select the files you wish to restore by clicking on them. Once selected, click on the Restore button at the top of the page. You will see a confirmation prompt confirming the restoration process. Click Yes to complete the restoration. Your files will now be moved back to their original location. To verify recovery, navigate back to your main storage folder. Check to ensure your files are now present as expected. For additional recovery options, consider using the MegaSync desktop application. Download and install MegaSync if you haven't already. Open MegaSync and log in with your Mega.nz account details. Sync the specific folders where you stored your recovered files to check for any discrepancies. If the files are still unavailable, reach out to Mega.nz support for further assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully recover your lost files on Mega.nz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.